Hey girl with the big foot. Hey, listen what me said. No. Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey, go up on the bed. Oh. Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah. Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah. Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Before Prince Pine became the go-to guy for daily laughter,
me now watch nothing.
What you say?
Before his relentless skits would gain him over 200,000 followers on Instagram, almost 100,000 followers on Facebook, averaging him over 1 million views on both platforms combined, Prince Pine was a skinny little fella attending KC, which we all know as Kingston College, where he wanted to become a dancehall artist, so he started making humorous songs. But after realizing that becoming a dancehall artist is not so easy in Jamaica, he kind of ventured away from that a little bit, started making funny videos just for his own humor. After finding out that other people share the same humor as he did, he started sharing his videos on Instagram, Facebook, and the Vine app. What's up my viewers, my name is Kanye Clark and welcome to my new series of Who Were They Before Vines, where I'll be shedding some light on random Viners' life that they lived before becoming a Viner. Prince Pine, whose given name is Kevon Murray Gore,
Kevon, mommy where you are?
Was born on August 26, 1995, which makes him 21 years old this year. It's not quite of a whole fella. He's a past student of KC, Kingston College, which makes him a KC whole boy, but now attends the University of the West Indies. He was born and raised in Portmore, St. Catherine, where I still think he lived to this date, and made his first video when he was in grade 8 at KC. However, his first popular video did not come until years later after he left KC that he made with one of his best friends called Errol, and the video was titled How to Eat a Banana Like a Real Jamaican. Which generated over 100,000 views on Facebook and 0 views of their Instagram. This video also got a lot of comments, likes, and shares on Facebook, which motivated Prince Pine to do a lot more videos. But then he started generating some hate when he started making videos in his underwear. Prince Pine had this to say to his fans when they started criticizing him about making videos in his underwear.
I don't say them, I stop with my briefing.
Why?
He also admitted that he tried to make video in a wig once, acting as a female, but the wig itched too much, so he couldn't be bothered with it. However, Prince Pine started generating a lot more attention after making a 15-second Vine with a song called Gas Pan.
You see me girl them have to carry gas pan.
What you mean?
Them have to chat.
How chat?
One hand, my girl them
Alright.
have to ever gas it.
Hano po.
Me have beef, we make patty, my girl them girl them.
Oh Jesus.
Which gained him a lot more followers and a lot more airplay as the song was being played in parties all over Jamaica, which saw even producers and selectors reaching out to him suggesting that he turned his 15-second song into a full song, which he did. Now to a question I'm sure a lot of you are asking yourself. How does he make money from having this much followers and making people laugh? Well, I'm sure you see Prince Pine's face on a lot of billboard signs, bus signs, and TV commercial, bearing brand names such as Bigger Soft Drink and Flow, the telephone and cable company. Well, it turns out this company pays Prince Pine to use his picture as the face of their brand, and in return, Prince Pine posts items in his video as well as posts about promotion they have going on. Now that's just one way Prince Pine gained from his fame, as he also landed a stand-up comedy gig which saw him tour in England along with IT and Fancy Cat last year in 2016.
Story. It's a story about a prince called Pine, which is me. You get that? Alright. It all started with my father named Keddy. He come from Wayne at the hills of St. Mary. Anybody from St. Mary? You? Big up. Anybody here just from country? Rurally? Upa? Say Thomas? Don't over me. If nobody no laugh at you, cause it.
Prince Pine idolized King Batch and hoped to be as famous as him someday. If he does, I'll be here to cover that story. But until next time, it's your boy Khalil Clarks. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And let me know in the comment section who you'd like to see me do next, alright?
Yo, that girl that cute your fuck. Oh.
She? Hey yo, my girl. Come here then, my friend I try fuck you.
As long as you're cool.